Alright, we're here at Retro Day at Exotics, and my friend was able to bring his amazing FC generation, second generation RX-7 with something a little special under the hood here. So for those who know what they're looking at, this is a 1JZ engine, 1JZ GTE from Toyota with the variable valve timing, some beautiful accessories. He's actually won an award at a Mazda show, which is hilarious, for Best FC RX-7, which does not even have a rotary engine in it anymore. So mega props. Brand new RE MMI wheels, which were very difficult to get. They're gorgeous. What I like about this car is that it doesn't have a sunroof, so you've got a sunroof delete car, which my friend Cam specifically chose because this was a shell without a sunroof. I want you guys to see those wheels a little bit better. He works for a shop in our area. He's one of their lead technicians, mechanics, so just so you know that. And a proud Avance member as well. But yeah, the second generation RX-7, gorgeous car, and he has taken this car to the next level by doing the engine swap himself, as he's a qualified tech. And he had it painted this beautiful dark green, which hopefully you can see the shade. It's got a turbo style hood on it, the carbon duct. Gorgeous car. Huge respect for a proper build.